Hey everyone, so this video is going to be about affiliate marketing and some other ways that you can make money online. And I want to start with YouTube. So obviously you can monetize a YouTube channel. It does take a lot of work and effort normally. So it's something that you are going to have to put in a lot of time for, but it's definitely worth it, I think, in my opinion. I mean, I'm not making a ton of money right now, but with having a larger market, you can also do affiliate marketing on YouTube. You can also enable super thanks, which is where people can send you money if they want to for like no reason. You could also do memberships where there'd be a join button up here and people can pay you monthly for certain services or special things that you can do for them. Like I considered doing it and adding like an extra video every month. I actually did have a membership program for like 12 hours, but then I didn't think I had enough time to actually commit to that right now. So I don't have one currently, but you can do that. They range from like $2.99 to $5.99, and I'm sure you could probably set your own price. So there's a few different ways to make money on YouTube. And then once you get a following, that's when affiliate marketing becomes really, really helpful. So I'm going to go through some of the affiliate programs that I currently use and other programs where you can just make some additional money. So first, let's start with this passive income accelerator program. So in order to become an affiliate for this program, you do have to actually buy the program. At least that is my current understanding. So if you don't own the program, unfortunately, I don't believe you can be an affiliate, but it is free to be an affiliate with the program. So inside here, you just hit access now, and then I think it's towards the bottom. There's a way to sign up to be an affiliate, and you get a commission for whenever somebody actually buys the program through your own link. So this program is for people who are brand new to KDP and low content publishing. I think this is geared more towards beginners. Like it literally walks you through step by step exactly what to do. So some of it was repetitive for me because I already knew, but other parts of it were extremely valuable and helpful. So this is a KDP program. So if you don't really do KDP or have an audience, then this is probably not for you. Moving on to the next one, Gumroad. So this could be for really anybody. You can put up your own products, and I have most of mine for free. There's some of them that are $1 or $2. And so far I've made $10 of revenue before all of the fees come out. I think I've actually made like $6. And these are just people giving donations to be nice, which I like greatly appreciate. So thank you so much. These are actually free on my Gumroad shop, and it's actually a way where you can get emails as well if you want to start an email list and do that. I really need to start getting better at doing emails and things like that, but it's just a lot to learn. I definitely feel like I've grown a ton, but I still have a lot to learn. But I have not got my first payout yet because you have to have a minimum of $10 after the fees, and I don't have that after all the fees come out, but that's okay. So this is where you can upload like PDFs or I think PNGs or different kind of files, and people can download interiors, covers, or I'm sure you could do it for a ton of other businesses as well. So moving on to this one, buymeatoffee.com. I actually haven't had anybody donate here, but it seems to be a platform where people can just go donate you money. So it calls it like buying you a coffee. I don't actually drink coffee, so that's why I wrote here I only drink water. But water is very expensive. So, I mean, it's just all the prices are up right now. But this is pretty much just a place if people want to donate some money to you, they can. I'm not sure of all the fees or anything, but it seems like a decent enough program. So something else you can add to your bio. And then here we have Helium 10. So Helium 10 has an affiliate program. You do not need to be actively using the program to be an affiliate. I do recommend making sure you have used the program and you actually know how it works and you think it's something good to advertise. That way you're not advertising something that you have no idea about, but you can be an affiliate without actually being a current member. So I do recommend this as well if you do KDP and if you like Helium 10 and you want to promote it. I try to only promote things that I actually think would be helpful to people. And I know tons of people use Helium 10 and love it. So they have here, we pay 25% lifetime commissions for every conversion you make. So that means you get paid every month. So this is just another amazing affiliate program. Next, we have Canva, which I think you do need to be an active member of Canva, like an active pro subscriber in order to get it, but I could be wrong on that. I think you do though. So it says be among the first to earn revenue for referring new Canva Pro users. It's free to join, no fees, no minimum sales. So I think you do need to be a pro user, but it's free to actually like be an affiliate. But Canva is something I use literally all the time. Like Canva is what I've used for all, like maybe 99% of my books, I would say, and all my thumbnails, or majority of my thumbnails. It's just, I just really love Canva, and it's a lot more affordable than other programs. So this is something that can be used for KDP and other businesses as well. It doesn't just have to be KDP. I'm sure people use Canva for a ton of different things. So I do highly recommend also being a part of this affiliate program. And again, the bigger audience you have, the more likely you'll actually get affiliate commissions. But kind of decide for yourself what you want to do. I know some people just want to promote anything and everything to make the most money. I personally only want to promote things I think will actually be helpful for my particular audience. But do what you feel is right and best for you. So moving on, Amazon Associates, which I think a lot of people don't know about. And this is so helpful. You can use this for KDP, YouTube, literally any business at all. If you can buy it on Amazon, you can use this program. So what this does, which first of all, it is free to join. You don't need to be like an Amazon Prime member or anything like that. I'm not a Prime member, and I am part of this affiliate marketing program. And it gives you links for like certain items or that you can buy on Amazon. So I have linked my microphone, for example, which I am so glad I bought. I was watching some of my older videos and I was like cringing at how bad my audio was, but hey, we all get to start somewhere. And this microphone was not that expensive, and I think it's definitely helped a ton with improving the audio. So I don't know, it's just really great. So if you have your own YouTube channel, I recommend buying a microphone. If it's not this one, at least something. I do also have some videos using my Nikon camera, and the audio I think is really great in there. But using my laptop audio is like not good at all. So I'm very glad I got this, and you can do it for any product. So I have my microphone, but you could do it for like a chair or some clothing or a TV or a camera, like literally anything. And it kind of explains it here, how you earn money, and it's just really helpful. So I think this is another great way where you can make money. And again, the higher following you have, the better. You earn up to 10%. I think it varies per product how much you actually earn. So it's not as much as some of the affiliate programs where you make like 25% or 50%. That I've already shown here. But hey, money adds up. Money is money. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it doesn't cost anyone else anything extra. So if they're already going to buy the product, then why not have you win as well? So moving on to the next one, Publisher Rocket, which I just recently became an affiliate for. They have a more, I'm not sure what the word is, but more strict, I guess, application process. Some affiliate programs, it takes like 2 seconds, you apply and you're done. This one took actually a decent amount of effort to apply for, which I applaud them for. More probably should be more thorough and make sure it aligns with their program and everything like that. So it kind of makes me really happy they go more in depth about it. I think it just shows that they don't want just anybody doing anything with their program. Like they want to make sure the right people are promoting, and they want to make sure that we're all following the laws and the taxes and everything like that. So this, you actually get 50% of all sales, which is really amazing. And I recently bought Publisher Rocket, so I've only used it for a few days. So far, I do like it. It's helpful, but I don't feel I'm at the point where I can do a full review. However, I know that it is a great program for KDP, and I know that many of the top KDPers use it. So I feel confident sharing this with my followers and my subscribers, because I know that this can be helpful, especially if used properly, and I do like it so far. I just don't want to do a full review on it yet or say too much because I haven't used it long enough. So you can apply in this form here. I'm not sure if you need to buy it first. I'm guessing you probably do. I mean, that would make sense, but I'm not sure if that's like a rule or anything. but 50% commission is really, really good. Not many places give that much of a commission for an affiliate program. So I definitely highly recommend checking this out if you already use Publisher Rocket and you really love it. So those are just the programs that I currently use in some of the websites. I hope that this was helpful. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, like a lot of people market on other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, even Facebook, or I mean, there's word of mouth even. You could use the Amazon Associates if you're sending your books to your family members and having them buy a book. Like, there are ways that you can capitalize your money and just increase your profits. So I really hope that this video was helpful, and I hope that it might have given you some ideas in order to make more money with whether you have a KDP business or not. I think some of these aren't KDP specific, where others kind of are. But I mean, there's tons of other book publishing platforms as well that may use these same resources. So I really hope this was helpful, and I appreciate you watching and listening. I hope that you all have a great day.